Abidjan, a metropolis defined by its kinetic friction. It is a city that never sleeps, driven by an unyielding current of energy, ambition, and noise. But every 2 years, this urban landscape undergoes a profound transformation. The noise sharpens into rhythm. The friction turns into flame. For 1 week, Abidjan becomes the undisputed beating heart of a continent's collective creativity. This is MASA, the Marché des Arts du Spectacle d'Afrique. To the casual observer, to the tourist, or to the passionate spectator, MASA looks like a sprawling, vibrant festival. They see the lights, they hear the music, they witness the breathtaking choreography under the Ivorian sky. But beneath the celebratory surface lies a completely different machinery. While the world sees a festival, the global creative industry recognizes a powerhouse. Since its inception in 1993, MASA has fundamentally outgrown its original mandate. It has evolved from a simple cultural showcase, a well-intentioned exhibition of regional talent, into something far more formidable. Today, it stands as the largest, most influential professional marketplace for the performing arts on the African continent. This is not just a gathering, it is an institution that has spent decades redefining how African art is valued, traded, and exported to the rest of the world. Quantifying the impact of MASA requires looking at the sheer scale of human capital it activates. We are talking about an ecosystem that brings together over 5,000 international participants. It plays host to more than 800 fiercely talented artists representing over 50 nations from across the globe. When you step into this space, you are looking at a living, breathing map of human expression. But MASA is not satisfied with merely putting on a good show. It operates under a much grander philosophy, performing arts in Africa, a tool for economic and social integration. This is the structural spine of the entire event. It is an explicit declaration that culture is not a luxury item. It is not an afterthought or a hobby. Culture is a sovereign asset. It is a primary driver of regional cooperation, social cohesion, and macroeconomic growth. For generations, African stories were externalized, interpreted, and often commodified by voices outside the continent. MASA changes the direction of that gravity. It is more than a cultural event. It is a declaration of African excellence, designed, managed, and executed on African soil by African visionaries for a global audience. To truly understand MASA, you have to leave the grand amphitheaters and step into the engine room. At the absolute core of this biennial phenomenon lies a specialized zone simply known as the market. This is where the magic of the stage collides directly with the uncompromising reality of the global creative industry. Here, raw artistic expression transforms into the ultimate currency. The market is a hive of high-stakes cultural commerce. International programmers, festival directors, talent scouts, and booking agents from Europe, the Americas, Oceania, and Asia converge on Abidjan with a singular, focused objective: to find the next breakthrough global tour. It is vital to make a distinction here. Unlike the Parallel Off Festival, which celebrates spontaneous, community-driven performances, the market is a strictly curated, fiercely competitive selection of elite talent. Every artist on this stage has been rigorously vetted by an international committee. They represent the pinnacle of technical skill, narrative depth, and touring readiness. For these performers, the stakes could not be higher. This is a dedicated space for real-time negotiation, contract signing, and the long-term structural development of sustainable careers. For an African artist, the market is quite literally the bridge that spans the immense gap between a brilliant local performance and the prestigious global stage. But the genius of MASA is that it refuses to stay confined within institutional walls. The professional impact of this marketplace organically spills out into the very veins of Abidjan through two vital counterweights: the MASA Off and the MASA Village. If the main market is the boardroom, these spaces are the testing grounds, the creative laboratories where the rules are written in real time. Step into the street art zone. Here, the pavement becomes a canvas. Urban dance collectives, spoken word poets, graffiti artists, and contemporary musicians provide an unfiltered, high-octane snapshot of contemporary youth energy. This is culture in its rawest, most democratic form. For the 500 cultural professionals in attendance, these secondary stages are not mere entertainment. They are an absolute goldmine for discovering raw, undiscovered, emerging talent. Meanwhile, the MASA village acts as the ultimate cultural crossroads. It is an immersive sensory experience where artisan crafts, indigenous fashion, local gastronomy, and spontaneous acoustic performances merge. In doing so, the village creates a holistic economic ecosystem. It proves that when you invest in a festival, you aren't just paying an artist on a stage. You are feeding the chef, supporting the traditional weaver, employing the driver, and stimulating the entire hospitality sector of a nation. True cultural sustainability cannot be achieved through a one-week celebration every 2 years. It must be built meticulously through continuous education and infrastructure. This is why the festival invests heavily in the future through initiatives like MASA for youth and schools. This program ensures that the next generation of cultural consumers and future artists is intentionally cultivated today. By engaging over 20,000 students in specialized storytelling sessions, theater workshops, and youth-centric performances, MASA is actively safeguarding a generational cultural legacy. But the most revolutionary aspect of MASA is the work that happens when the crowds have gone home, the lights have faded, and the massive stages have been completely dismantled. Throughout the year, MASA seamlessly transitions from a marketplace into a premier training institute. It works quietly behind the scenes to structure the entire African creative sector by professionalizing the workforce. They train sound engineers, lighting technicians, cultural administrators, stage managers, and digital archivists. This is the invisible work. It is the unglamorous technical foundation that converts passion into a viable, sustainable, and highly profitable African creative industry. MASA is no longer just a biennial date on a calendar. It has transcended its timeline to become a permanent year-round catalyst for the cultural and creative industries across Africa. By stubbornly viewing art not as charity but as a sophisticated tool for economic liberation and social integration, MASA provides a master blueprint. It shows the world how an entire continent can boldly own its narrative while simultaneously building a modern, resilient economy. As we look toward the horizon, the ultimate goal remains uncompromisingly clear: to ensure that the performing arts are never again viewed as mere pastime, but are universally respected as a foundational pillar of African development, sovereignty, and pride. The infrastructure is built, the stage is set, the market is officially open, Africa is performing.